the potato right there.
Right.
You're just gonna prick it with some fork all the way around, just kind of dock it. Salt, pepper, olive oil, and then double ply the aluminum foil.
Gotcha.
Get it onto the grill in the indirect heat area for about 40 minutes. We don't want to cook it till it's done.
Don't cook it all the way.
Yeah, we still want it to be a little bit firm so we can make some planks. So if you don't mind making planks just like that out of it, and that's what we're gonna get back onto the grill. But I want to show you how to make the chorizo gravy that I'm gonna put on the top. We're gonna meat garnish.
Chorizo gravy.
Yeah. Oh yeah. You know, I work with Grant, who works in your kitchen, and I love him to death. And one day we were out here hanging out, and I was like, you know, who needs parsley to garnish? I want to meat garnish. And so we were like, yeah, let's meat garnish more.
Yeah.
So that's what we're going to do right here. Just 2 links of chorizo, Mexican chorizo, take it out of the casing. A little bit of salt, pepper. Add the onion in here.
Onions.
Right, a little bit of olive oil, even though it's got some fat added to it.
Garlic.
Garlic grated goes in. And then you're gonna mix it around until everything starts to become nice and tender. And then that's when you're gonna start adding in the flour. This is a really good way to make a gravy that's not going to be lumpy, is waiting to saute everything, then add the flour in, and then mix the flour in before you add in the liquid. And by way of liquid, we got some beer.
Yeah.
Open it up.
Cerveza.
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 Yes. Pour that in. Everything's gonna start to get nice and thickened, and then add in that cilantro right there.
And then it looks like this guy
it's gonna
here.
Look like this guy right here.
Yeah, baby, bring that sucker back.
Right, so,
meat garnish.
Right, meat garnish. So now, at the end of the day, what we've got over here are those potatoes that we went ahead and put on the indirect heat for about 40 minutes or so. You cut them into planks, then you get them back onto the grill, and you get nice little hash marks on them.
Awesome.
Right, load
Just
that
put them
up.
on here?
Yeah.
Oh, you got some over there too.
Yeah, and what I like to do is, right when I get them onto the grill, give them a nice little shake of cumin and some Hungarian paprika, a little spicy. That works for you. Get that over there. All right, so we're gonna start layering it up. First things first, put some pepper jack cheese.
Pepper jack cheese.
Yep. It's gotta melt, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because right over the top of that, that's where the gravy's going. So that's gonna help melt everything.
God.
Look at that meat garnish.
Crazy.
Meat garnish. Right.
Char corn?
Yeah. Corn. So this is
char the corn and then scrape it off your cob.
It's like Mexican street corn. So char the last of your summer corn on the grill, salt, pepper, olive oil, and then just add on a little bit of the cayenne pepper, some tortilla cheese.
You want a little touch of mayo
on there? A little dollop of mayo, because they always smear
it's like street corn.
The corn cob with mayo. It's kind of like the spackle for everything else, the cheese and the cayenne pepper. And a nice little squeeze of lime.
Lime.
And there you have it.
And then hit it with the cayenne.
Twice